Everybody's gonna hang out on the concrete so we don't all get wet. Hi, Samson. How you doing? How you doing? Hi, Harry. Bosco. Nappa. Nappa. No. You guys are supposed to be playing. Shelby. Shh. Shh. Here's some huckleberries. Let's go see who's snoozing in here. Come on! Let's come out and play! I know it's rainy, but come on! Trina! Come on! Come on! Come out! Chevy! Come on! Come on! Chevy! Come on, Tucker, you too! Tuck, come! Come! No? Shelby, go get the rain. Go get it.
Believe it or not, she doesn't like the
Shh. Oh, Harrison. Hi. Hey, play nice. Did the water get you, Samson? I'm sorry, buddy. It was for Shelby. She likes the water.
You're so cute. See, feel better.
Come on, lazy bones. Come on, guys. Max. Tucker, are you going to move or are you just going to stay in that same spot all day?